Welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Summarized Data Stats in Sheets.
Are you uncomfortable using formulas? Did you know that you can quickly see the sum, average, minimum, maximum, or count of a group of numbers without using formulas in Google Sheet? You can do this by following these steps. Open Google Chrome. Click the waffle to the left of your profile picture and then click Sheets. Click blank to open a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. For this tip, I will be using an existing spreadsheet that I created. To get the total of the first column, highlight the dollar amounts and then look in the bottom right corner of your sheet. You can change what is shown by simply clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting either sum, average, min, max, count, or count numbers.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.